Today we're going to be looking at this pretty unique 3-in-1 crochet tool. I know by first glance you probably have absolutely no clue what this is. When I ordered it online, I didn't really know what I was getting either, but that's exactly what these videos are for. I'm going to give you a detailed review. I'm just going to give you a demonstration and at the very end tell you my opinions. But before I get into this, hey, I'm Alicia Littlejohn, aka Little John Yarns, and if this is your very first time here, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you enjoy review videos like this. So let's hop directly into this video and see exactly what this thingamabob does. This is the Magic Crochet Helper. I purchased this with my own money from Amazon for $16.99. So let me show you everything that comes with this little device. You'll receive the box that it came in, the Magic Crochet Helper tool. You'll receive an instruction manual which has tons of pictures on exactly how to use this, and a cute little carrying case. And this is supposed to be a 3-in-1 crochet tool. So it is a tension yarn guide. It has the ergonomic handle, and it is a magic ring maker. And just a heads up, while reading this, this is not suitable for left-handed crocheters. So it only works for right-handed crocheters, so you know all about that. So the first thing that they tell you to do is scan the QR code on the inside, and it gives you instructions on exactly how to work this. And I already did that, so let me show you exactly what I learned. So first, we're going to open up the tension guide. We're going to slide the yarn through this hole right here. Push this forward. Hope you can see that. And the yarn goes behind and back through that same loop again. All right, let me tighten this up some. I guess you can adjust it to whatever tension that's good for you. All right, so let's give this first one a try. Wait, I'm going to put my hand in here and hold it like this. Wait, there we go. I'm holding it the wrong way. So this is how you would hold it. Let me make my first chain. Ooh, this is awkward. Okay, this is a learning curve, definitely. I'm so used to having my finger up with crocheting. Okay, I'm supposed to hold it and pull. Okay, it's not too bad. I think I'll tighten my tension a little bit more. It's very cumbersome. Ooh, definitely a learning curve. Okay, let's see how I would go into the next. We're going to do some double crochets on the second round. This is awkward. So far, this is not my favorite, but I can see how this can be helpful to somebody else who might have some dexterity issues. I'm going to crochet a couple rows, and let's see how that would look. Alright, I made a couple of rows. What I am impressed with, I'm impressed with how, after I made it past this first row and got the hang of it a little bit more, how consistent the tension is. This tension is tighter than what I would usually crochet, but you can adjust it the way that you like it. What I'm having problems with, I naturally crochet with this finger up in the air because this is the finger that usually holds my yarn, and I have to train myself to put it back down, and I find that very difficult, and I feel like there's so much extra in my hand. But minus crocheting, this in my hand, holding it like this, is very comfortable. But having this while I'm crocheting is uncomfortable. But once again, see, I can't do it. But once again, I can see how this can be helpful with somebody with dexterity issues. If you don't have them, this is going to be not for you, because I just don't like it. It's slowing me down. and I'm typically a fast crocheter. Okay, oh, and another tip, if you're going to use this, make sure you have it on some type of yarn winder, because if your yarn starts to get stuck, it'll increase your tension and you won't be able to pull it as it goes. All right, now I'm going to test this out as a magic ring maker. We're going to insert it just like we did before, going through that first hook right here and going through the tension yarn guide here. And now we're just going to turn it around. So we are going to, whoop, I got the tension a little bit too tight. Wrap it around this way. And just like that. Okay, I'm holding it. And according to their video, you just, here we go. You just start with a chain. Oh, this is hard. Am I holding it right? Nope, I'm not. Okay, put this back down. This is hard. Okay. And I'm going to do a single crochet. Okay, it came off the loop in the back. Let's try this again. Hold. This is flipping hard. Okay, let me try this again. Single crochet. Okay, I think I'm getting it. Let me tighten up my loop some. I am not liking it. This is, ugh. So I guess, let me take this off. And now you have your magic ring that you can crochet with. Personally, I know this is not an instructional video on how to do this. This is just me reviewing it. Let me tighten this up. Oh my goodness. I can't do it. This magic ring. All right, let me show you how I do my magic ring. I know everybody can't do it, but look how quickly I can do it myself just by using my hand. I did that in no time. I didn't have to use a tool to do it or anything. Magic ring. I think it took me how long just to do a couple stitches? And I did 3 already into my own magic ring without using this tool. Personally, I do not like this for a magic ring. I guess it's cool. It gives you that space where you can slip your crochet hook into it and do the crochet things with it. But it's just a heck of a lot of work just to create this magic ring, aka magic circle. I don't recommend it for that. Maybe if you are using this, make a magic circle as usual and then hook it back onto the device. But this, no. Alright, so I guess you pretty much got to see exactly how this works. Let me give you my final review on this product. Now it's time for my final review of the Crochet Helper. This isn't going to be my typical review where I give you 0 to 5 stars because this tool is kind of hard to rate. Let me explain. Would I ever use this tool ever again? Absolutely not. I will never use this tool. But would I recommend this tool? Absolutely 100% with all of my heart, I would recommend this tool. If you have any type of dexterity issues or disabilities with your hand, this would be the perfect tool for you. I used to work as a CNA and I worked with individuals who had like restrictions to their hands. And if you have any type of restrictions and you still love the hobby of crochet, this tool would be perfect for you. This is why I can't give it an exact rating on how I feel about it, but I can see how somebody else would use it. Or if you're more inconsistent with your crochet tension, this is an amazing tool. For me, it made my tension a little bit tight, but I am an expert crocheter and my tension is pretty on par. But if you have any problems with inconsistencies, this would be a great tool for you. But if you don't have any problems and you don't need an ergonomic handle, or you don't need any tension regulation, or if you don't need a magic ring maker. Oh, that is the one thing I think this tool is absolutely unnecessary, is the magic ring maker. Just learn how to make a magic ring. But for everything else, I do actually like this for somebody else who might have some type of disability. So I guess I can't give you on a scale of 1 to 5, but I would definitely recommend this. You can find this on Amazon. I believe I purchased it for $16.99. I will leave a link for all this down in the description box below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you check out my other crochet review videos here, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye guys.